The air is so delightful. Let it snow, let it snow, let it. Holy sugar balls. 10 more feet in and oh, look at that. Right. Okay. Calm down. We have several hours. Calm down. Whew. Okay. Thank you, other gods. No, Dougie, don't run the wood. I just love the blanket of snow. It just purifies everything. So beautiful. There's a shot there to be had for sure, but I don't think we have it. Look at this. Right, let's see if we can get this quickly. So I know it doesn't look great here, but being extended and at 240mm, you're getting a compression there, so it makes everything seem a lot closer. So it looks cool. Oh my god, it's getting cold. And I tried to get my gloves out of my bag, but I couldn't find them. They are in there, and it's always the case when I need them I can't find them, and then when I'm just rummaging looking for something else, they just pop up. So I'm gonna have to suffer. And that's why I'm only doing this here, because I know I probably won't last that long out here, and I'm not clothed for these conditions. So is there a lake down there? So I'm not clothed for these conditions, so it won't last that long. But we'll see what we can get out of it. It's just beautiful. And we are saying things about snow causing issues for trains getting out of here, so I might have an issue with my train tonight. We go to Germany. This is a photographer's paradise. On one side we have a frosted lake, which looks great, and on the other side we have a reflective lake. And then we have everything in between. Oh my good god, I'm gonna have so many photos from today. Oh look, there's a T-Rex over there. I don't even know where to start, where to begin, where to end. Oh, this is insane. Yeah, I'm gonna walk down here a few more steps. For some reason, I don't know, sometimes I just get these feelings. Walk down there for a second. Most of the time it pans out, most of the time it doesn't. Yeah, we have something here. Alright, hold on. This is actually better than I was expecting. I was expecting, like, maybe a wet city or something like that would look cool, but nothing like a bit of winter wonderland. Yeah, let's walk around a bit more, shall we? It's just so peaceful and beautiful and very weird. This is the main city train station, but it's far away from the actual city centre. You have to get another train to it, or subway to it. So it's very strange. But I'm happy enough with this. Like, there was nothing specific in there. I was gonna just eat food, basically. That was it. Just walk around. I'm liking the icicles on this tree here. this lamppost here. But, beautiful place. I'm going to walk around a lot more. We still have a few hours left, so we'll see what happens. There we go. I seen one thing. There we go. I seen one thing there. That's a nice, lovely building there. Yeah, there we go. And there's another one. Like, I wouldn't be going up these things or anything, but there's two nice, lovely buildings. Look, I seen the fire truck. Yeah. You normally wait until they go past me and then they blow the horn. No, I believe this is where I shot down. Oh, this is Arsenal. I thought they were in England. The cars are here though. That's what I was shooting down to earlier on, from all the way up there, but the car's compressed, so yeah, we're going to go up this way. There's a top half of the park I want to explore, but also see if there's anything along the way we can check out. My hand is absolutely frozen. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm happy. I'm very, 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 very happy. Just as I see the shot, like a dog just runs into it and runs it. I'm looking for the perfect, crystal clear, no touch snow, and leading up to an object. So just minimalist, with just one object. Yeah, that actually looks nice. I might take this shot here, actually. Nice and close to it. More details. But yeah, I'm just so happy right now, actually. And I've been just thinking, like, I don't really express my emotions that much, you know. Like, I just say, oh yeah, I'm happy. But, like, you know, I don't go, yeah, I'm happy. So I got to work on that, especially if I need to be a YouTuber. Right, hold on, let me take the shot. The weather outside is frightful. Here's a hidden motorhome. I'm liking the size there, like, it's not too intrusive. Doesn't look like it's that hard to park. It looks decent. Oh, squirrel! Squirrel in the tree. Oh, let's try to get a photo of him.